Can you talk about doing, when you showed us pictures of jobs you've done, there was a lot of like big or Palladian, I guess they're called, windows?
Yeah, we have a scientific term for that. We call them very big windows. Okay? That requires a lot of dexterity because you need to have at least 2 or 3 guys controlling the window. Most of the time we have to use scaffolding that has jack stands. In other words, we pump a ladder that's laid out horizontally, and we raise it a couple of inches at a time till we get it to the height where the window has to be put in. And it's at that point that you're really hoping that it was measured correctly, because there's nothing like having a $5,000 window about 40 feet off the ground. But that's one of the reasons that my guys excel, is that, you know, the stuff that to other folks they sort of scratch their heads, they've done it so many times that it doesn't pose a problem.
Mm-hmm.